Hey there and welcome to your Smilekaro Impression tutorial. Here's what you'll find inside your Smilekaro box. A cheek retractor and a pair of gloves. 2 maxillary upper jaw impression trays, 2 mandibular lower jaw impression trays, 4 base putties which will be blue and 4 catalyst putties which will be white. Before mixing the putty, remember to wash your hands and put on the gloves provided. Grab 1 blue base putty and 1 white catalyst putty. And then mix them together until you get a uniform sky blue color. No white streaks. Once mixed, roll it into a sausage shape and press it evenly into the tray. Just like that. Now we're ready for impressions. Insert the tray and press down firmly, but no biting. Pull your cheeks and lower lip outwards. Relax your jaw and stay still for 3 minutes. Remove the back first and then the front. Use your fingers to adjust your lips and cheeks. It helps get a sharp, air-free impression. Now let's start with the upper jaw. Now with the putty, make a round ball. Once done, flatten it out. Then, adjust it into your tray. Make sure it's nice and smooth with no wrinkles. Tip your head slightly forward and insert the tray and press it upward in a smooth motion. Use your fingers to gently pull the cheeks outwards. This removes any trapped air. Let your lip relax over the tray, no need to force anything. Stay still for 3 minutes and breathe through your nose. When time's up, lift it from the back first and then gently remove the front. Finally, pack up your impressions and follow the return instructions in your manual. And that's it! You did it! Thank you for choosing Smilekaro. Your new smile journey has officially begun. We can't wait to deliver your perfect aligners and for you to start your smile journey.